Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Polymath token. Today the price line of Poly has broken out another resistance and I'm expecting another pump of Poly after this breakout. But before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Okay, first of all, let me to recall this pattern that I shared with you back on 21st of January. This was my major idea that I shared with you. That was a big harmonic bullish reversal bad move, and I told you that from here we can expect a really very big move, and this was against the Bitcoin. Now once I will play this chart, then you can see what the price line did after that, and you can see that the price line rallied very well, and this was more than 700% rally. And after this rally, the price action, by the way, this was more a big rally against the US dollar, because this 700% rally was against the Bitcoin. Okay, after this rally, the price line dropped here, and during this drop, the price action has recently formed this falling wedge pattern on the 4-hourly time frame chart. By the way, it is also visible on the daily time frame chart as well. And here we can see that we also had another resistance that was approximately at 79 cents, and you can see that previously the price line has been rejected by this resistance several times. We had some more rejections here, some more rejections here, and recently during this move the price action has also had another rejection, and after this rejection the price line has finally broken out this resistance. Now this resistance of 79 cents can work as a very strong support for the price action, and after this breakout we can also observe that for a few days the price action was moving here sideways, and during this move the price line has also formed another pattern. This was the resistance of the new pattern. This was in fact an ascending triangle. This was the resistance, and this was the support of the ascending triangle. And the price action after some move, you can see that the price line entered in this triangle on the 4-hourly time frame on 30th of September, and finally we have broken out this resistance. After this breakout, it has retested the previous resistance as a support, and look at the power of this breakout. It pushed the price line hard, and even the price line has broken out this very strong price level resistance line at 79 cents. And you can see that this green one is the 50 simple moving average, this red one is the 100, and this yellow one is the 200. And right now the 50 simple moving average is crossing up. It is likely to cross up very soon, this 100 simple moving average, and soon we will see the golden cross between the 50 and 200 simple moving averages on this 4-hourly time frame chart. And I'm expecting now, previously I told you that I'm expecting a target up to this the tail of this falling wedge, that is approximately at 90 cents. But now after this breakout, I'm expecting that here the price line is going to hit the target of this bull flag, because here we also had the formation of the bull flag after this accumulation. And if I place it here at the breakout point, then our next imminent target can be very close to $1. The exact target will be 97 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. Take care. Goodbye.